Hello everyone, welcome back to another Dollar Tree organization episode. In today's video, we're going to be showing you some of Dollar Tree's newest items like this one right here. This one is an absolutely amazing find and I was super excited to have find it. So let's go ahead and jump in nice and easy. So you can see here they have a new turntable. This is really nice because I remember so many videos not that long ago of DIY turntables that you can make using marbles, but you don't have to do that anymore. They have this amazing turntable for only $125. I was surprised on the price as well. I thought it would be about $3 to $5 from their items, but it is $125. And I know you see the mess that's in this cabinet with this little bin that my mother-in-law have been using as a little, turntable, if you call it that, for the seasoning. So I just want to upgrade her little space right here using that turntable that I found at Dollar Tree. I am cutting some of this drawer paper, so liner, so that way I can put it inside of the cabinet for her as well. So this is that big old bin, the older one. I'm just taking out the seasoning bottles so I can clean them really well, and then I'm going to add them into the new one. Now my friends, today's little organizations DIYs is more of an upgrade to your home, so you can make little upgrades here and there if you have, if you happen to want to upgrade your little spaces in your home, then this video is perfect because I really love the new stuff that Dollar Tree has been putting out, and for $125 you definitely cannot beat it. So after cleaning all of the seasoning bottles, I am going to place them inside of here. That is the holy grail, the smoked paprika from Trader Joe's. I absolutely love that. But here you can see how beautiful and how much more cleaner it looks just with this turntable. I absolutely love this little upgrade. You would have to give it a try and go check out these new turntables at Dollar Tree because it is a steal and I love it. And if you haven't been to Dollar Tree recently, they have out this new set of glassware for your home. These are absolutely stunning. I was really surprised to see these plates. They did have ones a little bit similar to this set a little while back in a different color, but I really love this blue color with the brown trimming. They also have a lemon set, but so far right here I see just the cups. But for this blue one, they have the plates, the bowls, the mugs, and some little glasses as well that you see in the back there. They have the complete set, and I think these are really beautiful, especially for the spring and summertime. And I don't know, I might have to pick some of these up because I really love the blue glasses that I just showed you, but this is stunning. Next little upgrade using Dollar Tree 6x4 frames. You can find this usually in their section where they keep their bins and organizers and stuff like that, but sometimes Dollar Trees are a little bit different, so I'm pretty sure you can find these because they always carry them. But we are going to be using them as a spice drawer, so this is just going to elevate your spices inside of your kitchen drawer if you like that idea. I personally love a spice drawer rather than having them in the cabinet, but that's just me. If you love it too, then this is perfect for you. You just have to take out the paper that's inside of the frame and place them upside down inside of your drawer, just as you see me doing here. And depending on how big your drawer is, just fill it up as much as you would like to. I just put 2 rows for now, and then all you need to do is fill up those little shelves with your seasonings, and it just looks absolutely beautiful, my friend. It just elevates it row by row, and you can have so many spices in here easily to reach and grab, and it just looks really nice as well. So I really love this idea and I think you should give it a try. A nice little find at Dollar Tree that I came across are these toothpicks. These are super cool. They have tropical watermelon, and over here they have tropical coconut. I found these to be super interesting and cool. I picked one up of each because I wanted to give it a try. So I will let you know how do they taste and are they good or not. So stay tuned for my next video for that. And also, if you've seen my previous video, then you have seen me use these stackable bottle holders. These are absolute great find from Dollar Tree, and they are just super nice to upgrade your home. Once again, I placed one here on a little side table because it does look really nice. I love that it's clear, so it goes with any decor, any aesthetic that you might have in your home. Let's go ahead and place a bottle down. So of course you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, as many as you would like, because they do stack, which is amazing, which is why I love them. You can see it has a little feet there, which you can easily slide into place, and it stays there nicely. And when you push it and wiggle it around a bit, it is nice and tight. It does not come off unless you slide it off, of course. So we're gonna place another bottle down on top, and just look how gorgeous this looks. I absolutely love it, and I think this is a super great find for your home. And not only if you have if you don't have, liquor bottles or wine bottles, you can definitely use this for any drink that's in a bottle that you might have, like something, some sparkling lemonade or something like that. There's plenty of things that come in bottles that you can use these for. Now, in Dollar Tree's cleaning section, I found these bleach tablets for your toilet, your washing machine, and I thought they were super cool. I picked up one of each scent just to see which one I would like the most, and then I also looked down and I found these called put a lid on it sprays for after you use the bathroom. If you know the brand that they are trying to replicate, then you know, but this is super cool. I love that it looks like a toilet lid. It's so cute, but I am gonna let you know if they actually work. Why not? Because I am showing you the product, right? So I am gonna see how they smell and stuff like that. So I did pick up two. Also, in my previous video, if you are new here, I did show how you can use this little storage container from Dollar Tree that has 3 compartments. This is super perfect for on top of your sink. You can see that sponge just fits in there super perfectly, and this is perfect for if you are living in an apartment or a small space. This would, save up more space and have everything be nice and organized and tidy up, your space in your kitchen. And I absolutely love this. You have 2 other compartments that you can place down some scrubbing brushes or anything you would like to. But I just wanted to show you guys these again in case you are new here. Once again, then I can show you some of these ideas using Dollar Tree's containers. And my friend, I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I did creating it for you, because I absolutely love making these organization videos. It really does make me happy to be able to make these for you and create them, because I absolutely love cleaning and organizing. I really do. But I hope you enjoyed. If you've made it this far into today's video, then comment down below sponge, because that will let me know that you made it this far, and that is highly appreciated. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. And my friend, I will see you all on the next video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all next time. God bless.